want you to stay here.
I want you to stay right here, okay? I gotta go find Finn. I want you to stay in this area, okay?
I don't want you to leave. I want you to stay.
You do?
Yes.
All right, Nick. I want you to stay in the car, all right? Don't get up for anything.
I want you to stay here for a while. Where? In the convent.
I want you to stay there, Joey. Stay.
I want you to stay because I like you. I like talking to you.
I want you to stay. I make a mean scrambled egg. Stay.
I want you to stay here.
I won't be gone long. Just next door.
I want you to stay.
Love to. Thought you'd never ask.
We need someone down the back.
I'll go.
No. I want you to stay together.
I can do it.
I want you to stay here. I want you to live with me.
I want you to stay here. Watch this door, okay? You make sure nobody comes in or out. Okay? Good. You're gonna be a guard just like me.
Striker, I want you to stay back, look after the coastline. We cannot afford to lose you, so only engage as a final option.
Yes, sir.
I will return to Winterfell and set matters straight.
Piss on that. Send a raven. I want you to stay. I'm the king. I get what I want.
I want you to stay there. You understand? Only don't tell me you're innocent. Because it insults my intelligence. It makes me very angry.
I want you to stay right here, and you're gonna show me what it is you're gonna do with Mike, okay?
Yeah, you're hurting me, honey.
No one else is gonna love you like me. You know that, right?